Hello friends, Chris with beginningguitaronline.com. In this segment of Classical Guitar Basics, we're building upon the forward arpeggio pattern that we'd explored in the previous segment. You've been working on planting your right hand on home bass strings. This is a critical skill for playing fingerstyle, acoustic guitar, as well as continuing your adventure into the classical guitar world. Here we'll be playing through an ascending E major chord pattern. We'll be playing an E chord in first position, then we'll shift up to second position, replant our third and fourth finger a little bit higher rather than using 2 and 3, play this F sharp suspended chord, and then we're going to shift the same chord shape up 2 frets to fourth position for this G sharp suspended chord, back to second position, and home to E. Once again, E, 2, 3, 4, F sharp, 2, 3, 4, G sharp, 2, 3, back to F sharp, 2, 3, home to E, 2, 3, 4. Using our thumb like a guitar pick, we're able to hear all of the chord tones one at a time that way. Now we'll be using our forward arpeggio pattern we learned in the previous segment to play each of these notes individually, starting with our thumb walking from the 6th string to the 4th string on each chord. It'll sound just like this. Now shift to second. Shift to fourth. Back to second. Home to first. Rest. Coming to stop with the side of the right hand. Let's play through it together again. Here we go. E major, 1, 2, ready, play. Second position, F sharp. Fourth position, G sharp. Second position. First position. Now let's play it at a slightly faster speed together. 1, 2, ready, play. Second. Ready, fourth. Back to second. And the beautiful thing about this celestial arpeggio etude is that it sounds great no matter what speed you play it at. As always, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, click subscribe below, send us a comment or a question, and please visit us at beginningguitaronline.com. While you're there, sign up for our newsletter and check out all the educational resources we have available to you. Thanks for watching.